Today, I'm going to give you the truth about the Citi Secured Credit Card so you know if it is worth it. The Citi Secured Credit Card is designed for people who are new to credit or trying to rebuild their credit history. It requires a refundable security deposit which sets you credit limits. As you can see, this is how it works. Make everyday purchase and pay your bill on time. With a secured credit card, once you are approved, you will provide a security deposit between $200 into $2,500. The credit limit on your new secured credit card will equal the amount of your security deposits. The card has no annual fee, and you will get essential protections like fraud monitoring, account alerts, and flexible payment options. This card also reports to all three major credit bureaus, so making on-time payment can help you build or repair your credit score over time. However, it doesn't earn rewards or bonuses, so its main purpose is building credit, not collecting perks. So as you can see here, nothing talks about perks or cashback. If you use it responsibly, you may eventually qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured Citi card and get your deposit back, which you have made right here. So if your goal is to safely build or rebuild a credit card with no annual fee, the Citi Security card is a smart option.